Okay, congratulations. We're now on stage 3 of creating your website. So we're going to look at the additional pages we're going to add. So if you have moved through to the link that says stage 3, this is what it's going to bring up for you. Additional pages. So again, we're going to pop in your contact email here just to make sure that we are sending the correct content to the correct place and creating your website. So would you like to use a blog? So if you're not wanting to use a blog at all, no problem, just hit no. If you would, but at a later date, then we can come back to that, no problem. Or if you would like to add now, you can say yes. Now, when we say you should add a blog, we recommend starting with 3 because it looks better on the page. You don't want just one blog sitting there. So if you have 3 blogs, it's a good place to add them in. After the first 3 we put up, we are going to give you instructions on how to do this yourself. So don't panic, it's going to be nice and easy. But for now, we're going to upload the first 3 for you. So we recommend that a blog has about 500 to 800 words, and it has about 3 images per blog in order for people to keep engaged and interested. You know, if something's too long, you get a bit bored and don't want to continue reading it. So that's our recommendations. It is your site, your blog. You can do whatever is important to you. So if you have 3 blogs ready, you can input the content there and the images that go alongside it for your first 3 blogs. And of course, again, if there's any additional information that you wish to add, you can put it there. Now, all the way through this one, it's a bit of a longer form, so you can save and continue if you need to go and collect the information to pop in here. So that's not a problem. So for argument's sake, we'll say no just now. Okay, contact forms. So your contact form is how people are going to get in touch with you. So you'll see a lot of the templates have a contact form along the bottom where they'll say maybe, would you like to subscribe to our email, or would you like to sign up for our newsletter, or something like that. And in there you can put whatever fields you're looking for. So for example, you might want their first name, their last name, their email, their phone number. Maybe you want them to send you a message. Whatever is going to be best for your business, you can add them in there for your contact form. And then that's how the information that the people are going to give you when they try and contact you. So pop them in there. Remember, you can just do name all in one. You don't have to do first name and last name. It just depends when you have that information, how you want to sort it or organize it. Sometimes it's easier to have both, but it's completely your choice, your website. And of course, again, if you have purchased the silver, ruby or gold package, you can add in up to 3 forms. So if you want to add in separate forms for different things, you can add in the content for them there. I'm going to go to next. Okay, so now we're going to look at the different pages we can add on. Now, depending on your package, depends on how many pages you have included. So with bronze package, you can pick 1 extra page. With silver, you can have up to 3, and with ruby up to 5, and gold up to 10. So what we've done is created some templates here for you to use in the same way you did with the homepage. You're going to input the content. So say you would like to add the services page. When you click that, it gives you the link here to add in, so you can view it like we viewed the last template for the homepage, and you've got your content here. So you can input your content and go next. But say a services page isn't what you want. I don't want a services page. We're going to click along. Maybe you'd like a contact page instead. So you can do the same. Add in, I'd like to add in a contact page. Again, you've got the link here for where you can put your content, and then there's all your boxes. So maybe you're going to say, no, not a contact page. Doesn't sound right for my business. What about an about us page? Maybe you want to tell people who you are, your story, about, especially if you're in business on your own. So maybe if you're a coach and you want to explain to people what drove you to coaching, what's your why, what's your story, this can be a great page to add in. And just like the other ones, if you click this, it's got the About Us template, or you can pick something else. Frequently asked questions page. So this is probably, if you've got the bronze package, you're probably not going to make this your extra page. But maybe if you've got a ruby or gold package, you might want to add in FAQ page. They're quite good for people's questions getting answered before they even contact you. It just makes it easier for your users and customers. So yeah, if you want to add one of these in, you know the way. You click this one, or you can click no if it's not the one for you. A pricing table or packages. So you'll have seen on the Buttered Lite one, we actually have our pricing options in a table page. It's quite easy for people to view what's available in each package, so that could be quite a good page to have if you want. Or other content. So we've made a generic one. So maybe you've got a page that is not specific on here. Then we've made a kind of generic other content page that you can use, and you can title it how you like, and we can put that into your menu. So just with the other ones, if you want, you can go on there, go to the link and input your content. So there's a few options in there for different pages to use. If the ones that you want to use are not there, that's not a problem. Give us a shout here and we can get in touch with you with other options. If you can be specific about what you're looking for, then we can get the template up there for you. So please do just get in touch. This is your website and we want you to love it. So that is available for you there. So the next page is privacy policy. So every website has to have a privacy policy, especially if you're in the UK. We've got GDPR issues and things now, but specifically all over the world, every website needs to have a privacy policy. So it's really simple to get one. You can just literally Google it. There's so many examples out there and you can just tailor it to your website. You're also welcome to go and take our privacy policy and edit it to your business. We're completely open to that. So just as long as it is changed to your business, it keeps you safe, keeps you legal. So put in your privacy policy here for us to upload, and that page is included with your website cost. Congratulations! Okay, so we've got to the end of this. So if you have any questions, notes or comments, you can pop that in there as well, about your extra pages that are going in. Now this is going to be the end of your 3-stage creating your website. But I know that for some of you, you may have purchased a shop, a membership site, or a learning platform, and there is going to be a separate way to fill out those. But this is the base of your website will be will be complete. So congratulations, well done. I know it was a big job to get all that across to us. We are super excited. At this point we can start making your website. So we're going to go away, create it, and make this the perfect website for you and your business. Yeah, so well done on the hard work, and don't worry if you've got the shop or the membership site or the learning platform. There will be extra forms in there for you to do and get that organized. And of course, throughout the whole process, if you do need any help, we're always here to help you out. So contact us at hello@butteredlite.com and we'll do our best to assist you along the way. But congratulations! Well done!